Hey there, it's Vicki Marie and Roscoe. We just got home. We went and got our Walmart pickup. I did not get a lot, but I'm going to show you guys really quick what I did get today. I'll show you that real quick, and then we'll come back here and I'll do some chit chat. So here's what I got at Walmart, just a very few things. And this is all I've been doing. I've just been going to Walmart once a week, just topping off, filling in my grocery haul, and then going to Sam's Club about once a month. So here I have some of my peaches, and I probably will get some at Sam's Club next time I go, but I'm not going to just go to Sam's Club until I need quite a few things. I'll just fill in at Walmart. So then I have my almond milk. I drink almond milk almost every day. I have some regular milk just because, in case we do mashed potatoes, basically. That's really about the only thing I use this for, and John loves his mashed potatoes. And then we love our sweet cream. And last week, I was able to get 2 of these, and they were out of these completely. So this week, I was able to get the regular Italian sweet cream. And then I was able to get my sugar-free. So I always do sugar-free. John does the regular. And then I did get some of this just to have on hand for the weekend. And I got one avocado. Now I also got some of these for Roscoe. They didn't have the pack, so I just got the individuals. And then I ordered a pack from Walmart.com that will be delivered probably in about a week. But yep, I have some, but I don't want to run out. And so I did get some of those. I got another bag of the romaine salad, which we still have some just regular lettuce in the fridge. So, and if we go to Sam's Club anytime in the next week or so, I'll probably get some more lettuce there. I did get some of Roscoe's chicken wrap chews. They don't always have this, so I like to make sure I have some on hand. I love these, as you guys know, if you've been following my blog. So I get these almost every time I go. And then I did get some green onion. So this is, we love green onion just chopped up in our salad. So I use that a lot. I actually make a salad dressing and put this in the dressing, and it's so good. And of course on any kind of Mexican food, just throw that on top of sour cream and yum. And then I got some of this, and it is the, see if that, oh, it's not clear. Let me see if that clears up. There we go. So I got it's the glowing skin, and it has the hyaluronic acid and collagen and sea buckthorn. No clue what that is, but it is a supplement that you eat. So I got some of this, and it is the Ollie. And I had some collagen, Ollie, the collagen rings before that I bought at Target, which I did not do a haul because it was the only thing I had. I just went in there to get a card, a birthday card, and I grabbed some. So I've been on collagen. I also have some collagen powder that I've been putting in my smoothie, my green smoothie. But I take one of these, a collagen once a day now, and they were out of it. So I'm trying this. The collagen rings are hard to find. They are really good though. So if I can find them and they're not terribly expensive, because I found some on Amazon and they're about twice as much on Amazon as I was seeing them at Target. So this was like $12 for this, and there's 50. So it's a lot cheaper than the collagen rings, but I'm going to give that a try. And that's my haul, y'all. You guys, this too, this was from Walgreens. John got this a few days ago. He went in to Walgreens, and they had this, he was looking for a clipper, but he wasn't planning to buy one. And you know, they're like 30, 40 or more dollars. But this one was $9 and something. So he grabbed it, and it's a pro hair clipper kit. So, yep, so he wanted to get that. His, it was going to take about, well, there was a long wait to get in to get his hair cut. So he decided just to grab this. So anyway, Walgreens, it was $9 and something. And I don't know about the brand, but it's hair clippers. And he doesn't use them very often. So he was happy to get this. So I got my groceries put away, and I thought I would just sit down and chat with you very quickly about just a couple of things. So John and I were planning I was writing things down in my calendar, and planning our camping trips, and we have 3 camping trips on the books already, and I'm so excited because camping we can do. We have our RV and we're going to be out away from the crowds. RV is really fun. I'm so looking forward to getting out and camping. And then it looks like we have our trip to Mexico in November on the books. It's a week-long trip. We do this every few years, and we were supposed to do it last year and we weren't able to. So I'm really excited. We're going to a new place. I'm not going to say it yet because we're not 100%. That still might change. So I'll let you guys know more about that. But having something to look forward to makes a huge difference. It really does. Now, so it's almost like the anticipation of it is what I'm realizing is just almost as juicy as the trip. So, because last year I was really excited about going to Mexico, even though we didn't get to go to Mexico. It motivated me I had something to look forward to. And then when the trip got canceled, I was actually okay with it. I was, because I really didn't want to go during all of this stuff that's going on. I was happy. I was fine being home. This year, I'm looking forward to it. Now, I will be disappointed if we don't go, but I also know that I'm really looking forward to our camping trips. So it won't be like soul crushing if we don't get to go. Hope you're doing well. Take good care, and I will see you on the next video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.